What's up, guys? Got Millie out here helping me out a bit. Isn't that right, little Mew Mew? Anyways, yeah, I just got in my package from eBay. Some guy on eBay. Bummer about it is came damaged. Good old FedEx. Anyways, I'm gonna open this thing up and go through it. I already cracked it open. I just wanted to make sure there was nothing of importance over on that side that could have gotten damaged, but we'll find out if there's any damage. Anyways, yeah, here's the air cleaners. Really hope these are the real deal. You said they were, so we'll find out. Throttle plates. One thing I did see that I'm not stoked on, I was searching and searching online for a Weber 48 IDF that came with these empty manifolds, but I couldn't find it, so I'm thinking maybe the guy took the manifolds and used them for some 44s or something, but I'm hoping it's offset enough I won't have any clearance issues. I guess I'll find out. Here's another one. Kind of a bummer. Maybe I'll just buy some new ones eventually and get them match ported and polished. For now, I'm just going to run it like this and see what happens. Always something that's jacked up. Here's another throttle plate. That's what the linkage actually hooks up to. Air filter tops. Another little linkage plate. It's all the hardware. I can feel it. There's one. I'm gonna switch you guys down for a minute. Maybe you guys can see this, maybe not. Okay. Well, first impressions are good. It is indeed Weber 48 IDF, made in Spain. It's got the velocity stacks all ready to go. Weber pump. We do have a little bit of corrosion on them. Maybe that's just paint. Something going on there. But it is what it is, you know. Can't beat it for the price. They're brand new, never used. So there's one. Looks good. A bunch of gaskets. Here's the other. Set that to the side. And I just got my hex bar. And it should be Pretty much it. Done. Yeah, I'm gonna pull out these 40s, Adron 40s, and hopefully this will do a little better. I mean, I'm pleased with the 40s. Who knows, I may just go back to them and sell these 48s, or you know, use the 48s for something else just to mess around with, or there's Ratchet kitty, zig zig, hey woof woof, yee. Millie being a good girl out there. But yeah, so far the only thing I'm mispleased with are these empties. I mean, I couldn't find any kits that sold empties, manifolds with the Weber kits. I mean, I'm sure they're out there, but I have a feeling that guy had some ported ones or something that he swapped out with these ones or something. I'm not sure. Who knows? We'll see how it does. And then as usual with all new cards or used cards or any cards that you ever get, you're going to want to take these all the way apart and clean them all out really good. Pull all the jets, just go through them, check the floats, make sure the floats are good. I'll be doing all that stuff here real soon. Depends on how much time I got. Tomorrow we got Wine Waves and Beyond. Which will be out in Pismo Beach. So I don't know if I'm going to take this thing apart and do that tonight or tomorrow or whenever I get a chance. But I may take, still contemplating on which car I'm going to take. I wasn't able to register. They sold out before I got a chance. So I may take the Baja out and then hit the dunes a little bit in the Baja. But we'll see. Right now I'm just, sorry for the stagnant video, I'm just opening up these linkage plates. And all this good stuff. See what he gave me. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Throttle plate. A little bit of corrosion on it, not too bad. Pretty good. Whatever. Half price, and they're brand new, so I'm not gonna complain to the guy. Gave me a good deal, so I'm happy. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna check all this stuff out, but this is pretty much what came. I'll get it all set up and start taking these things apart, and that'll be that. Catch you guys later.